Hi guys! So this is an unboxing video of my long lost, I thought, special order from Speckled fawns. It contains 2 passport and 1 micro, and it was shipped from the States the 29th of March. So it's finally here. Let's have a look. Okay, let's start with the small one here. Oh wow! Oh my god, I love this. Oh, it's so squishy. Yay. Okay, so this is a Kodiak in the color Tuscany, and it's, as you can see, it's a green brown tint to it. And this is a 2-inch spine. Oh my god, look at this texture. Oh wow. And I love the green elastics. They look awesome. Wow. I know I said in my order note that I wanted the more texture the better, because I love it when there's much texture. And here we have the little fawn logo. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, moving on. This is so lovely. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a passport size 2.5 inch, also Kodiak. And this is the color Berry. And this is, I know this is another kind of pocket, so I think this is supposed to be mustard. And I have to say, I thought it would be more yellow. Yeah, okay, you can see there is some yellow tint to it in the pull-up. Yeah, but I thought it would show more yellow, so I might have to do some pulling to really bring out that yellow, because that would look awesome against this purple. That's why I chose the yellow elastic also. And it's really squishy and it's really beautiful. Wow. I love the berry color. Oh wow. Okay, yes, let's take the last one here. Oh my world. Oh my world. Okay, so this is a custom build your bee happy in passport 1.5 inch. And this yellow leather here, this is forsythia, and it's the first time I ever held forsythia or felt it, and it's buttery smooth, and it's, wow, that's so nice. Okay, and this here, I'm not sure what this is. Yeah. All right, it's the gray Kodiak, and I can't remember the name. I think it was Stonehenge. So as you can see, there is a kind of a gray tint to it. Not much, but a little. And then we have, let's see, this is Black Beauty. Yeah, Black Beauty. Okay, let's have a look inside. Yes, here you can see all the gorgeous smoothness going on. Yeah. And I'm gonna tell you the story behind this. See, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, if you haven't noticed my Harry Potter tattoo even. And I'm an Hufflepuff, and this is the Hufflepuff color. Yellow and black and grey. So I made my own Hufflepuff notebook, and I hecking love it. I'm definitely moving out of my current notebook, which is my Passport Nude, because I have a Harry Potter setup in this. Okay, so this will look awesome in this one, and I'm gonna show you a setup video later when I've done that. So, but oh my god, this is so worth the wait. Oh, I'm just so happy that they weren't lost. Here they are. Let's see if I can fit it in here. And my little micro. Oh my god. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day. Bye.